If you're wondering how to set up Mailchimp for nonprofits, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started with Mailchimp, a platform that helps nonprofits engage with their supporters and streamline communication. Stick around because we'll be covering some tips and tricks to maximize Mailchimp's potential, and you'll want to stay until the end to learn how you can use Mailchimp for free with our exclusive bonus offer. First things first, after signing up for Mailchimp, you'll need to set up your account. Head to Mailchimp's homepage and click the Sign Up button. Make sure to choose the nonprofit option during the sign-up process so you can access the specific features for nonprofits. If you haven't already, link your nonprofit's email and website for the next steps. Next thing, once your account is set up, it's time to create your first audience. This is where you'll manage your supporters' contact information. Go to the Audience tab and click Create Audience. Mailchimp allows you to import your email list easily, whether you have it in a spreadsheet or another email platform. You'll also want to create tags to segment your audience, whether you have donors, volunteers, or newsletter subscribers. This will allow you to send more targeted emails. The third thing you should focus on is email campaigns. This is the core of Mailchimp. To start, click on the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign. You'll have several options here, but for nonprofits, I recommend choosing Regular Email. Once you've selected this option, you can either use a pre-made template or start from scratch. The drag and drop editor is simple to use and perfect for those who may not have much design experience. Customize your email to reflect your nonprofit's voice and style, then hit send or schedule it for later. The fourth thing you need to know is automating your emails. One of Mailchimp's best features is automation, especially when it comes to thanking donors or following up with volunteers. You can create automated emails that trigger based on specific actions. For example, a thank you email could automatically be sent out once someone donates. Automations save you time and help maintain personal connections with supporters. Next, you'll want to explore the reporting and analytics section. After your campaign is sent, it's crucial to track how it's performing. Mailchimp provides easy-to-understand reports about open rates, click rates, and engagement metrics. This information helps you tweak future campaigns for better performance. Finally, make sure to take advantage of Mailchimp's integration features. Whether it's integrating with your website, social media, or other tools your nonprofit uses, Mailchimp has a variety of integrations that help streamline your workflow. Check out the Integrations tab and connect your other platforms to Mailchimp for even more power. Before I go, I want to remind you that you can use Mailchimp for free if you're a nonprofit. The first link below will give you an exclusive bonus offer and an extended free trial, so don't miss out. Setting up Mailchimp for nonprofits doesn't have to be complicated. With the tips shared today, you'll be able to manage your audience, send targeted campaigns, and automate your communications with ease. Thanks for watching, and remember to grab your exclusive free trial from the link below.